Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be continuing off of the... Oh, I just saw him.
Dude, you're recording another video?
Yes, because of my time...
the last one.
The time limit. Over here. Over here!
Right here.
This one? No, this one. This one. Bruh.
I dodged that.
Come here.
I'm looking. Where?
You should end the video right now, just so we could, like...
Oh.
Ah! I forgot the way down.
What's up, guys? Today we are back with level 15. Where are you, sir?
I thought this was level 15.
It's level 15.
Yeah, you said level 13.
No, I said 15.
You said 13, but alright. I'm lost. I can't find my way down. Are you sure? Come check. Come check.
Run!
Buddy, there's nothing to run.
The door didn't open.
Check if you got
The door
this.
isn't open.
Did you get this one? Did you get this one?
Get it.
You got it?
Yes.
So then come here. This one.
Nope.
Buddy, what? I know.
I got the
This one. This one.
Go into the vents if you have to. Where?
Up here.
Let's go.
Down here. Bruh.
Where?
Back at the one that's hanging on the wall. Are you sure you got the one that's in the vent?
Yeah, I'm in the vents right now.
This one. Alright, what about this one though? That one.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. Yeah.
So nothing has a red nose?
This way. I found it, I think. Over this way, maybe.
Okay, come on.
I never checked this way. You go first.
Bruh. Get in the vent, get in the vent.
Thankfully, there's no player collision. Let's go over here so he runs away.
Okay. I think he ran. Come on. He did. Come on. Hold on. Come on. Down here.
Dude, it's so dark.
This one, this one, this one.
This one!
Did you get it? Did you get it?
I hit it.
You hit it? Okay.
Barely.
Come on. This way.
Yes, it's open.
Okay. Oh, new level. Phew.
I don't know if I want to do this one.
Let me check.
It's dark.
Come on. Ooh, button.
I just watched you die.
I think my heart
Are you okay?
fell. I'm thirsty.
Oh, I understand.
Ugh.
You'll never find me.
I found you. All right, come on.
No, you didn't. No.
Button. Oh, wait.
A
Button.
A what button?
Nuclear waste frog. Get up here. I'm getting up here. And then I'm getting up on this one.
That was a train.
The next L train is coming. Please move out of the way.
Oh no.
Yo!
Wait.
That's cool!
Did the train just go by for you?
Did you not see it? Who's that?
Mine already went by.
Where's...
Where'd you go?
Oh, this way, this way.
Oh, there.
Watch this, watch. Watch, we're gonna parkour
Oh,
off
he
of
just
that and
went
get
that
on the
way.
roof.
It's so dark.
Okay, now over here.
The button! The button! No, the button!
I can't see. Button! Wait.
He's over there. He's over there. We have to hurry. Get back up.
Don't make the jump. Okay. Come on.
I'm pinned on you. Warren!
I found a button.
I know. I have to get up there somehow.
I'm on top of the roof. I found another button, and it's on the chimney.
The next L train is coming. Please move out of the
Get
way.
up there.
Look, button. Did you get the one that's inside the house?
No.
Get the one that's in the house, because he's not over here. After that, let me scout for a button. I have an idea. Follow me.
Where'd you go?
On the roof. This way.
I'm on the
Hey,
roof.
hey. Jump.
Oh, a button!
I knew it. We can get this one easily. Look. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Is there one inside the train? Oh,
No.
there is. No, there isn't.
Run. Go up here.
Wait, what's that in the corner? Nothing. There he is.
The train just went by.
For you?
The next L train is coming.
A
Please
button!
move out of the way.
A button! Did
Got
you
it.
get it?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
I'm up. There must be one in that corner. In this corner over here.
Hold on, I gotta
Of course he's
recenter.
going over there. Alright.
Hold on, I think there might be one over here. I really do.
What?
I think there's one in here. Oh, wait. No. What about back here? What the?
No button.
That's fine.
Oh, that's a train.
Button!
The next L train.
Oh my gosh,
Please
that
move
always
out of the
scares me. Because I always think it's him.
What do you think is him?
When the train goes.
Oh, that's him.
That's... Yeah.
An idea. Over in that corner, there's a button. Silly.
There is a button? Or are you saying that there might be?
Over here, I feel like in that corner there could be.
Yes! Yes! How many buttons are there?
Where's the next? I don't know. Infinite, you could say?
Behind the crate. There has to be. No. Not even under? Alright then. What about over here?
Oh, he's coming. Oh my goodness, that scared me.
I don't know. I feel like I should end the video here, so I'll see you all next time. Until then,
Yeah,
The
Bye
next
bye.
L train is coming. Please move out of the way.